What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can trade right here on the ByTrading platform. But first of all, I'm going to be withdrawing my profit right here. Okay, I'm going to hit on the withdraw button right here, and I'm going to type in the amount of money I actually want to withdraw down below here. That is, please enter the withdrawal amount. Okay, I'm going to type in 16 USDT right there. As you can see, the withdrawal fee is actually 1 USDT, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place down below here that says withdraw. All right, so let's see how this goes, guys. As you can see, it says withdrawal application successful. So I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, my balance is now 0.0518 USDT. Okay, so I just refreshed my dashboard right now and it's still the same. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be waiting for this money to actually arrive inside my crypto wallet, and when it does, guys, I'm going to be showing you all the proof. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so my deposit just arrived inside my Binance wallet. So I'm going to scroll down my phone so I show you guys. So as you can see right here, it says deposit successful. So I'm going to hit on it, guys, so I show you guys the proof. Okay, so let's just give this some time, guys. Okay, as you can see, it says 15 USDT completed, guys. Okay, all right, so I'm going to refresh my balance right now so you guys can see the proof. Okay, so as you can see, the money just arrived, guys. All right, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make profit right here on the ByTrading platform just by playing games, guys. Okay, so make sure you stick with me on through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get your full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on the ByTrading website homepage right now. So guys, before you can actually start trading right there on ByTrading and actually making profit, you first of all need to have, signed up successfully on the platform. Okay, so as you can see over here, these are the details required for sign up. Your email, you need to verify your email, and then a password that you can easily remember, and also a referral code. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving my referral code on the screen right now, and guys, the sign up link is going to be on my Telegram channel. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the sign up link on my Telegram channel, so all you just simply do is go over to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is going to be on this video description, guys. Okay, so that is how you can actually get access to the registration link. So guys, when you actually want to verify your email, all you just simply do is this timer clock right here that you see. You just simply hit on the timer clock and a code will be sent down to your Gmail. So when the code is actually sent down to your Gmail, you just simply copy the code and paste it right here, and then you hit on the sign up button, guys. Okay, it's super easy, guys. All right, and mind you, on your first sign up you get 1 USDT bonus. Okay, so all you just simply need to do is contact the customer service after you have actually made your first deposit to grab your 1 USDT bonus. That is basically how you can actually take your bonus. Okay, so guys, I'm going to log into my account right now so I show you exactly how you can actually start playing this game to make profit on a daily basis right here on the ByTrading platform. Okay, so guys, let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on my account dashboard right now. So guys, how do you actually start trading right here? All right, so guys, first of all, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says mine. As you can see, I currently have about 90 USDT on my account right here. Okay, so this is my other account on ByTrading. I actually have 2 accounts right here on ByTrading. Okay, so guys, how do you start trading? So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says home, and over here that says calculator. I'm going to hit on the calculator button right here. Okay, here we are. So guys, what do we do right here on the calculator section? So what we simply do right here is we need to calculate our trading capital, so we actually know how much money we'll be using for each trade right here. As you can see, there are about 8 periods over here, which is also called 8 stages. Okay, and when you actually input your trading capital over here, I'm going to erase this $1,000 because I actually don't have $1,000 on my balance. Okay, I'm going to input $90 right here, and then I simply just leave it that way. Okay, so as you can see, this is the amount I'll be using for my $90 capital. Okay, for the first trade I'm going to be using 0.089. okay, and my win is going to be 0.084. so let's say I actually won on this trade. I'm to repeat the same amount again. Okay, so when I mean repeating the same amount again, I mean repeating 0.089 USDT as your first trade, because I actually won. So that's the reason why I'm repeating it again. Okay, so the only way I can actually move over to the second stage right here, which is 0.221, is when I actually failed on the first stage. So I hope you understand. So that is how you have to do it up until the 8th stage. And let's say you actually fail up until the 8th stage, they're going to be giving you a compensation back on your 8th stage loss. Do you understand? So that is basically how you can play this game. Okay, the game is very easy, and please, if you actually don't understand anything at all, just make sure you leave a comment down below the comment section asking me any question at all. I'm going to be answering your questions immediately. All right, so that is basically how you can play this game, and that is the reason why you need the calculator to play this game. And the only way you can actually get compensated when you lose up to the 8th stage right here, which is actually impossible, but sometimes it could happen. All right, so the only way you can get compensated is when you follow suit with the instructions right here. Okay, make sure you use the exact numbers that was given to you to trade from stage 1 down to stage 8. That is the only way you can get compensated, guys. Okay, don't go contrary, else you won't be compensated when you actually lose up until the 8th stage. Okay, so that is basically how this game is played. All right, so I'm gonna go back right now, guys. So before you can start playing this game right here, you first of all need to make a deposit into your account. All right, so how can you make a deposit? So guys, I'm gonna hit on this place right here that says mine, and over here that says top up. You just simply hit on the top up button over here. Okay, so let's say you actually want to recharge 100 USDT. I'm going to input it right here that says please enter recharge amount. I'm going to type in 100. Okay, then over here that says top up, I'm going to hit on top up right here, guys. Here we are, guys. So what you just simply do right here is you need to copy the ByTrading USDT TRC20 wallet address right here by hitting on this copy sign, and then you simply head over to your crypto wallet to send in the amount of money you actually want to send in into your account. And boom, guys, when you actually do that, you just simply screenshot the withdrawal slip from your crypto wallet, and then you actually upload it right here that says upload. Okay, you just simply upload it, and boom, guys, that is basically how you can do it. Okay, and then you simply hit on the confirm button to actually confirm your deposit right here on your ByTrading account, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can make a deposit into your account. Okay, so I'm gonna go back right now, guys. All right, so that is it. I'm gonna go back. Here we are. So guys, how do you actually play this game? So guys, playing this game right here, you first of all need to join a VIP group. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link to that group on this video description, so you actually join the group. All right, so the reason for the group is to get free signals to play the game, guys. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says home, and over here that says BTC28. I'm going to hit on it, guys. All right, so this is the game I actually play right here on the ByTrading platform, guys. Okay, so the game is quite easy. What you just simply do is you go over to the group, and then you actually take signals from the group and you play the game right here. Okay, so mind you first of all need to go over to your calculator right here, guys. All right, and input the amount of money you actually want to use for trading. I actually have $90 on my account. I'm going to type in 90 right here. So the first trade actually is 0.009. So this is the first trading amount, 0.009. Okay, as you can see right here. So I'm going to go back, guys. All right, I'm going to hit on BTC28 again. Okay, so as you can see right here, there's actually a 1 minute trade right here. There's a 3 minute trade. There's actually a 5 minute trade as well. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be using a 1 minute trade right here for an illustration, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the signal group right now. So actually take signals from there. Okay, so guys, let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on the group. So as you can see over here, they currently have about 10,000 subscribers on their trading group. Okay, so these are the signals over here. As you can see, this is actually a new signal that just dropped. Let's actually wait for a new signal, guys. So this is the new signal. As you can see, it says trade odd, and this is the period ID ending with 058. Okay, always make sure to take note of the period ID right here. So I'm going to go over there right now. As you can see, I'm going to hit on odd right here, and then I'm going to type in 0.009. Okay, 0.009. All right, so that is it. So as you can see, this is the period over here. The period says 0058. I'm going to type in trade. Okay, I'm going to type in confirm, guys. So let's see how this goes, guys. Let's see how this goes. Okay, let's just give this some time for the trade to actually end, and let's see if we're going to be in profit or we're going to be in loss. Okay, guys, so as you can see over here, that trade was actually a loss. Okay, I'm going to go back to the signal group again, but before then I'm going to hit on calculator right here and just type in 90, guys. Okay, I'm going to use 0.221 right now. Okay, I'm going to type in BTC28 again. So let's see what the next trade talks about. Okay, so it says trade even. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says even. Okay, and then 0.22. I'm going to hit on trade right here. I'm going to hit on confirm, guys. So let's see how this goes. All right, it says purchase successful. Okay, so guys, let's just give this some time. All right, guys, so I actually failed on this trade again. Okay, so I'm just quickly going to trade right now without recording, so this video won't get too long, guys. Okay, as you can see, my balance is currently 90.2 USDT. So when I'm actually done trading, I'm going to be showing you guys my current balance. Okay, so guys, let's go. Boom, guys, so as you can see right now, my balance is currently 95.2 USDT. Okay, so after trading for about 3 hours, I actually made 5 USDT added to my balance. Okay, so that is basically how this game is played, guys. Okay, so the VIP signal group link is going to be on this video description, and the sign up link to the ByTrading platform is going to be on my Telegram community, guys. Okay, and the link to my Telegram community is going to be on this video description, and also is going to be on the pinned comment down below the comment section, guys. Okay, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So before we come to an end of this video, guys, it's best you know that you can actually invite your friends down here by hitting on the invite button down below here, and then you actually grab your invite link to actually give it to your friends. And when your friends actually come here to play the games right here, you get wonderful referral commissions. As you can see, for the level 1 you get 1%, for the level 2 you get 0.5%, for the level 3 you get 0.3%, and as you can see right here, for the agent level you get 1.33% over here. Okay, so that is basically how it is, guys. All right, so mind you guys, this is not a financial advice. Make sure you actually do your own research before you start playing games right here. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now, and if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on this channel, you'll always be the first to get notified, guys. Okay, so thank you once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.